story of Dodo Field. Dodo was only 17, but he met like a man. He worked hard in the fields, dreaming of freedom, of love, of a life of his own.
If only I can marry Thea. Why wait? I'm strong enough. I can take care of her. Tonight, I'll tell father. He can't stop me.
You're home, Dodo. Come sit down. Supper is ready.
Okay, mother. I'll wash my hands first. You're home late, son. The field has done and you look tired. Come, sit and eat.
You're quiet. Is something wrong?
Nothing, mother.
Okay now. You two can talk.
Father, I wanted to tell you something important.
What is it?
I want to marry Thea.
But you're only 17. Life is hard, my son.
But I like her and she likes me. I'm ready to work hard for us.
Must you marry Dodo?
I can handle it, Father. Please, let me marry her.
And so, Dodo and Thea were married. At first, life was full of smiles and sweet promises. But soon, the days turned into years and the laughter faded.
You only love your son?
Father, I have to tell you something. I think I already know. I want to marry Tona. We were only 18 years old. Pero kuya, but I love her. We'll be fine. As far as
And the story repeated itself. A footnote to you that reminds us that love is not taught.